My manager is looking at me, giving me a death stare right now because she doesn't agree, but I'm trying. So I eat a lot of khana because I need it and I love food too much. I try and be vegetarian for lunch because otherwise I'll just be eating like, chicken and fish all the time. Like vada pav on some days or pav bhaji, like anything. The one major thing I've done is like tried to drink a lot of water. Hi guys, I'm Sanjana and today I am going to talk to you all about what I eat in a day or what all I eat in a day. Am I blessed with eating anything and getting away with it? I do eat everything, is the honest truth. But luckily, I've never been like crazy about eating too much junk. So that way I'm covered. And I've been a dancer since I was a little girl, so there's always been like an athletic body. So I eat a lot of khana because I need it and I love food too much. So butter chicken, naan, dal, roti, sabzi, everything happens in a day. But then like physical stuff also happens, so it's all balanced out. What do I have for breakfast, lunch and dinner? That's a loaded question because so also there'll be a mid-lunch and a mid-breakfast and all also because I get hungry too soon even after I eat a massive meal. So breakfast is like it's eggs, it's toast, it's first chai with almonds and then coffee with the breakfast like vada pav on some days or pav bhaji, like anything honestly. And upma is a favorite, poha is a favorite, mini idlis with some mirchi is a favorite, or like with gunpowder and ghee, like all of these things happen for breakfast. And then lunch is mostly dal, roti, sabzi because I try and be vegetarian for lunch because otherwise I'll just be eating like, chicken and fish all the time. So that's lunch. It's my most healthy meal. And
on what I eat, when I eat it, what time I eat it, what quantities I eat it. But I think that I finally understood somewhere a little bit how it works. So I've been vegan-ish, vegan preferred vegetarian since almost 2 months now, and I feel like that's been a very interesting change and I'm feeling really good about it. I have been eating a lot of vegan food. So I eat sabzis, I eat dal, I have rice, chapati sometimes, not a big chapati fan actually. And depending on what I feel like having, some days I will have continental or Asian food. I keep changing it up, but also sometimes I try to make sure that I do at least some cardio as well because I'm not being super strict with my diet, and I try to eat my dinner as early as I can. My dinner happens between 6:30 and 7:30, and if I get a little hungry later, I'll have a very small snack or some soup sometimes. I prefer to hit the sack early and wake up early. My most favorite meal of the day is breakfast, and there are a variety of things that my lovely Sunita makes. She makes sabudana khichdi, she makes poha, she makes upma, she makes, today she made dosa, chutney, sambar. Whew, it was so good. My favorite cuisine is Indian food, home food, ghar ka khana. According to me, the best time of the day to work out is before 6 p.m. and just when you have enough energy, when you're feeling like you have enough energy to go. Sometimes people can have energy in the morning and sometimes in the afternoon, so that depends on them. Yes, I stay away from, like, I'll have aerated drinks once in a really blue moon, like a really blue moon, and processed chips is something that also I'll have once in a blue moon, and deep fried things. My favorite healthy munchie will be a mix of dry fruits. I think that I'm experimenting with being vegan right now, and I think that so far is working really well. I don't know if I'll be able to continue staying vegan or not. Only time.
Hello, I'm Surpreet Jamna and I'm here back again. So I'm going to reveal what I eat in a day. कोई secret नहीं है, आप देख सकते हैं, कोई secret नहीं है, सब खाती हूँ मैं. But since Pinkvilla is insisting and Pinky is my favorite, let's go ahead. How can you even ask this question if I'm a blessed soul? Clearly I'm not, you can see from the face. Everything that I eat comes on my face the very next day. So supposedly, right now we are at 10 PM. If I cheat right now, any meal at 10:30, कल सुबह की shoot में कल मैं लगूंगी मोटा टमाटर. पतला टमाटर, मोटा टमाटर, मैं मोटा टमाटर लगूंगी. So there is no escape for me. Clearly no escape for me. That's a nice question. I don't know how many of y'all follow about the morning ritual. So before going off to sleep, I drink a glass of water, and as soon as I wake up, the first thing I do after checking my phone, which is a bad habit, which is also not ritual, supposed to be, I drink the glass of water which is kept overnight. I don't know why I do it, but I always do it. So the water that I drink at night, जितना मैंने पी लिया, उसको मैंने ढक दिया, and as soon as I wake up, whatever water is left, I drink that, and then of course I go ahead with my freshening up and things like that. That's the only morning ritual I follow. Night owl, clearly. I really love sleep. I can stay awake till 2:30 maximum, and if I'm partying, I have the energy, but do not wake me up. Even in my school, college days, कभी मुझे सुबह कोई बोलता ना, जो कहते हैं सुबह बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई होती है, कुछ नहीं होती भाई. मेरी लाइफ में कभी सुबह अच्छी पढ़ाई नहीं हुई. मेरी लाइफ में पढ़ाई सिर्फ रात को अच्छी हुई है. And I've been a night person. I'm a person who loves South Indian cuisine. If you give me idli for the entire day, be it my breakfast, lunch or dinner, it can be my staple all my life. जब तक मैं मर ना जाऊँ. मुझे इतना पसंद है इडली, South Indian. But I have like a balance of breakfast. So there are days when I have poha. There are days when I have, like this morning I had aloo ka paratha because I was really craving paratha, and बिल्कुल normal आटे का, हाँ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So idlis, और मम्मी सूजी का कभी डोसा बना देती है. Eggs with a gluten-free bread is what I like because my sister gets it from Swiss with butter. And of course I have my coffee with that, which has become now like a habit. Otherwise, nothing, just breakfast and I'm done. So these days it's coffee with only Swiss milk. Huh? स्विस का हम दूध पीते हैं. स्विस की जो गाय मोटी मोटी होती है उसका दूध पीते हैं और उसकी कॉफी.
Hi, I'm Tamanna and you're watching me on Pinkvilla. Breakfast is like a smoothie bowl which I kind of create, which has gluten-free granola, dates in it, almond milk, some nuts in it, a banana in it. If I get berries, I put berries. If I don't get berries, I put something else that is a substitute. So my first meal is that.